My name is Nate Douglas, and I'm a partner in the transactional group of Baker McKenzie based in Washington, D.C. One wrinkle we sometimes see in planning and implementing cross-border integration transactions is what happens to the branches and local business registrations of the legal entities involved. These branches and registrations are sometimes not fully depicted, if at all, in the structure charts and can lead to headaches down the road if they're not addressed up front. A branch or business registration is typically an extension of a legal entity into a country or jurisdiction outside of its home location and may allow the legal entity to operate in that new jurisdiction, receive certain benefits, and obtain certain local licenses and permits. The rules governing a branch or registration locally can vary significantly depending on the jurisdiction where it's registered, and because a branch is an extension of its parent rather than a separate legal entity, like a subsidiary, the laws governing a parent may also have an impact on the branch. So at the planning stage, it's important to identify correctly all the branches and business registrations in your structure. Then, working closely with tax, accounting, and other advisors, as well as the local business team, determine the desired end state and how the proposed integration transactions will impact each branch and registration under local law. Any transactions impacting the parent may also have an impact on the branch and its rights in the jurisdictions where the branch is registered. So if the parent entity will be subject to significant transaction like a merger or dissolution, the branch may need to be modified or wound up simultaneously or sometimes before the parent transaction is implemented. The transaction diligence should also include an assessment of contracts, licenses, permits applicable to the branches and registrations, and also whether each branch or registration is still necessary under the new structure. Remember again that all these items applicable to the branch may need to be considered under the laws of the parent as well as the branch to avoid unwanted terminations or other results. When it comes time to implement the transaction, it will be important to coordinate filings and other actions across the jurisdictions involved. Branches and business registrations can present complications and a trap for the unwary, but with a little planning and coordination should be just another seamless aspect of your integration transaction. Thank you.